Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a while, and that's mainly because nothing's changed. Here I have my 4903 9219, and behind the pillar is my 9215, and it's still using my Firelight BG12L. The only reason why I'm making a new video right now is because I actually have a way to make this all nice and neat. A Honeywell security cabinet. Let's open that up. Yeah. Use my drill battery. I did get large batteries, in fact, right here. Sealed AGM batteries. But look at the date on them. March 2001. And I figured they'd be pretty bad because of the age of them, and turns out I was right. When they're drawing power, when the fire alarm's drawing power, it doesn't work out very well. It's like 13 volts, so they don't have the juice. So I have to resort to using this. Just the connections here. But this is the cool part here. Got some terminal blocks. You can see right there. And that's the input, as you can read. There's a toggle switch to turn the system on. A main fuse. And a fuse for each and every one of these so-called fuse power outputs. So my fire alarm system is fused, and I am on a ladder. I'm holding an iPhone. If this shakes, I'm sorry. But yeah, the coolest part. The fuses are cool, but the coolest part is I don't have to disconnect my batteries from the system anymore when I'm done. All I have to do is flip a switch so it's on and off. And I'm going to leave this on because I promise you I'm setting off alarms today. But I have a nasty habit of actually interrupting connections. No, everything's good. Good. Shut the door, Johnny. Alright, what else I got? Is an Altronix power supply, I guess we can call it. But this power supply also has the ability to charge a battery. It got a transformer, 120 volts AC to 24 volts AC. Converts to DC in here. See? There's AC inputs, battery charge terminals, and DC output terminals. So that's pretty cool. But the only reason I'm not using it right now is because the AGM batteries are garbage. Oh, another thing. If you guys could tell me, this thing buzzes when I have it plugged in, and nothing's hooked up to it. So it shouldn't buzz unless something's wrong with it, or it's just the nature of this thing. I'll give you the model number here. So if you guys are familiar with this, just feel free to help me out. It's an AL400 UL. That's AL400 UL. UL listed approved power charger supply. We're done here. All right. Let's go set up some alarms. And my camera doesn't autofocus well. I'm sorry. I need to get a better camera. iPhone's nice and all, but really when it comes down to really making videos, it has so much fail. So since I didn't make a video for so long, I went ahead and also put conduit up here so it wasn't just wire hanging anymore. There. And as you can see, I still got a ways to go, but at least it's operational. So, let's set it off. Into 4 minutes already and no alarms, so here we go. See? Turn it off here. There you go. Hope you enjoyed what you saw today, guys. That's going to be it for tonight. I'll talk to you later. Bye.